Okay, let's continue with example 6. Now in this question, the demand function is given as p square minus 100p plus 2500, and the supply function is given as 0.5p square minus 50. So we are asked to find the price at equilibrium point if the price domain is between 5 and 50. The second part, find the quantity for such price. Okay. Now at equilibrium point, the demand curve will intersect with the supply curve. Bear in mind. Okay, first we look at the function of the demand function, which is given as p square minus 100p plus 2500. Okay, let's take this as equation 1. And the supply function is given as 0.5p square minus 50. Let's take this as equation 2. So in order to find the equilibrium point, we need to find the intersection point between these two curves. Okay. Now, so what we do is, since the left hand side are the same, so the right hand side, so we take equation 1 equals to equation 2. Okay. So from here, if we simplify, so we will get 0.5p square minus 100p plus 2550 equals 0. Okay, so multiply all by 10, we will get 5p square times 10, we have 1000p times 10 equals to 25,500. Reason that we multiply by 10 is to get rid of the 0.5. Okay, so from here we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we will get a equals to 5 and b equals to negative 1000, c equals to 25,500. Okay, so using the formula negative b plus and minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a to find p. So substitute b with negative 1000 plus and minus, so b is negative 1000 square minus 4a, a is 5 and c is 25,500. So over 2a, so a is 5. So from here, if we simplify, we'll get 1000. So negative 1000 square is 1 million here, minus this one, if we simplify, we'll get 510,000 over 10. So from here, if we simplify further, so 1 million minus 410,000 is 490,000. Okay, so that will give us 1000 plus and minus 700 over 10. And from here, since we have plus and minus, let's take the plus sign first. We have 1000 plus 700 divided by 10, or 1700 divided by 10. The answer is 170. If we take the minus sign, then we will have p equals to 1000 minus 700 over 10, which is equals to 300 over 10, or 30. So in order to find the value of p within the domain, so out of these two values, the one that is between the domain is 30. Okay. Now question B. So we have found that p is equals to 30. So when p is equals to 30, we substitute into equation 2. So we will get the value of q. Alright, substitute into equation 2. So we have 0.5 p square, p is 30. So we have 0.5, 30 square is 900 minus 50. So from here, so this is 450 minus 50, the answer is 400. Okay.